Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prioritizing legal options and necessary access. You should sign into your streaming service account on a smart TV or streaming stick. This is the first actionable step. Once signed in, make sure your device firmware and App Store are updated so compatible apps appear. Also, check network strength, and if needed, move the router or use Ethernet. That reduces buffering and explains why performance matters as you continue toward casting or native app playback. Next, install official streaming apps on the TV or streaming device. This is the core execution step. You should choose the app for the service you subscribe to, sign in using two-factor authentication if enabled, and grant playback permissions. Once done, configure playback quality and audio output to match your TV and soundbar. Make sure captions and language settings are set before playing content. That prevents interruptions. If using mobile casting, pair the devices now so playback hands off smoothly. Finally, play content through the TV app or cast from an authorized mobile app. That completes the viewing flow. You should monitor quality and switch to lower resolution if bandwidth drops. If playback fails, restart the app, reboot the TV or router, and verify account status and regional availability because those are common causes. One key troubleshooting tip: clear the app cache or reinstall the official app before trying other fixes. This often resolves corrupted playback settings without any risky work.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.